Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's Pocket Rocket Garage, and in today's video I'm going to be working on the daily driver. It's a Vauxhall Corsa 1.2 SXI Plus. Don't forget the plus. Now, one of the problems on Corsas of this age, and many Vauxhalls, is the aerial gaskets all perish. So I've tried to buy a new one. I think I'm on to my third one off of eBay, and none of them fit. So I've come up with a better solution, a much better idea, and also by doing it the way that I'm looking at, I won't have to take down the headlining or any of that faff. So let's get on with the video. I'll show you what I've got to work with, and then we'll crack on and get this repaired. That's the original aerial gasket that's split and all perished because it's so old. There's the new aerial gasket, but unfortunately it's much too big and will actually collect water because it's not a tight fit around the aerial base. I've got a black plastic packer to use, I've got a Stanley blade, I've got some black silicone sealant, some frog tape, and I've treated the Corsa to a brand new aerial. Let's go outside and look at the car. You can see the gap that's been left now the aerial gasket has come away and it's all perished. So I'm just going to use this black plastic packer. I'm going to scrape out any residue from underneath, and then we'll masking tape it up and get the silicone sealant in. That actually turned out really well, a nice easy repair. If you like the content, you like the channel, please click on that subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next video.